Hello, I'm going to be talking to you today about the importance of disclosure in bankruptcy. When filing a bankruptcy, clients are required to list and disclose their property in the bankruptcy petition when it's filed. Debtors often wonder what needs to be disclosed and what does not. If there is a doubt whether it should be disclosed or written on there or where it should be written, it's probably a good idea to speak with your attorney about that matter, and they will be able to advise you more specifically where the property should be included in the petition. The bankruptcy schedules require debtors to disclose personal property, such as vehicles, furniture, household goods, jewelry, wedding rings, bank accounts, the money in those accounts, cash on hand, retirement funds, annuities, stocks, tools, clothing, books and pictures, electronic equipment, interest in insurance policies, and tax refunds, etc. Schedule B specifically asks about each of these items as well as other items, and debtors have an obligation to disclose the applicable property with a value and description of the property. If there are things that are not included in the bankruptcy petition and the trustee finds out, they may assume the debtor was trying to hide the assets, and the debtor may be investigated for bankruptcy fraud. Attorneys usually have no way of knowing what property debtors have unless they are informed, so it is very important for debtors to inform their attorney of what property they have and how much the property is worth. It is also important for debtors to list any real property they may have, including houses, timeshare units, and mobile homes, as well as the value of the property so that the trustee can determine if there is equity in the property. Listing one's property is essential for many reasons. There can be situations where the property can be listed, where the property not being listed can negatively affect the debtors outside the bankruptcy proceedings. One example is if a debtor's house is robbed or if there is a fire in the debtor's home and their personal property is damaged or stolen. Insurance company will often check the bankruptcy petition to double check the property that the debtor has listed. If the property the debtor has included in the insurance claim is not listed in the bankruptcy paperwork, the insurance company can deny the claim and report the debtor to the trustee for not having accurate information in their bankruptcy petition. The same situation applies with one's car. If the car is stolen or in an accident and needs repair, the insurance company can deny the claim if the property is not listed appropriately with an appropriate value. It is therefore essential for debtors to list their real and personal property for many reasons.